Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to talk about the difference between a statement and a question. So I'm going to write statement up here. A statement is when you tell someone something. It's a sentence that tells someone something. You always need a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and a period at the end for your statement. So say I'm going to tell you, I like dogs. Okay, it's a statement. I need a capital letter because it's the beginning of my sentence. I like dogs. And I need a period at the end. One big thing we notice with first graders when they're coming to second grade is they're forgetting to put a capital letter at the beginning of their sentence and they're forgetting their punctuation mark at the end. So really when you're focusing on your writing this week, focus on always a capital letter and always punctuation at the end of your sentence. I like dogs. I just told you something and it's right there. It's a statement. So maybe I could put, it is hot outside. I need a capital letter from the beginning of my sentence. It is hot outside. I need punctuation at the end. It's a statement, so I just need a period. It is hot outside. Another sentence I could have is, I love seeing you on Zoom. There we go. I love seeing you on Zoom. What do I need at the end? I need a period or a punctuation mark at the end. So statements tell you something, capital letter at the beginning, period at the end. Now let's take a look at questions. So a question is when I'm asking you something and when I need an answer. So questions have little things called question marks. That's also a punctuation mark. A period and a question mark is a punctuation mark. And these are question marks, and they go at the end of every question that you have. Like if I want to say, oh good, you can still see me. Okay, if I want to say, how old are you? It's still a sentence, so I need a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. How old are you? It's a question. I need an answer from you. So, and I know that's a question, so I'm going to put a question mark at the end. How old are you? And then you would tell me, I'm 6 or I'm 7. Let's think of another question. How about, do you want to play? Okay, capital letter, it's the beginning of my sentence, so capital D. Do you want to play? Question mark at the end because it's a question. I need the answer from you. I need to know yes or no if you want to play with me. So it's a question mark at the end. How about, are you going to the park today? Are you going to the park today? What do I need at the end? I need a question mark because it's a question. I've got my capital letter, beginning of my sentence, whoopsies, and I got a question mark because it's a question. So that's statements and questions. For your writing organizer today, it looks like this, okay? It says, what do you look for in a good friend? So you're going to brainstorm a list of qualities found in a good friend. Say, maybe loyal, kind, shares, all of those things that you want in a good friend, you can list them here. You need an opening sentence. Like your opening sentence could be something like, I have a really good friend. You could put that capital letter at the beginning and punctuation mark at the end, a period, because that's your sentence. Detail number 1, detail number 2, and detail number 3. Like if I put, I have a really good friend. Right here I could put, she is always kind to me, period at the end, and don't forget your capital letter. Here's another thing to describe my good friend. She always shares her toys with me, period at the end, because it's the end of your sentence. She always includes me in all the games that she plays, period at the end, because it's the end of your sentence. Then your closing sentence would say, that is how my friend is a good friend. Something like that. It's up to you. You don't have to do that at all, but that's just an example. Make sure you're always having a capital letter and always punctuation mark at the end. Have your adult who's with you help to check to make sure you're doing that. So that's all you have to do for the writing organizer today. Okay, thank you.